No equipment, upper body workout. We are toning and tightening your arms with no weights. Give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and let's do the workout right now.
All right, here we go. Take the arms extended, rotate palms up and down. So it's a short amount of time. We're gonna fire up our arms, just rotating the palms up and down. Trust me, you're gonna feel this burn. Tempo, up, down, up, down. Starting off strong, I told you. Rotate those palms. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Curl it in, out. And anytime we do this, really imagine as if you were holding on to weights. You can feel the squeeze in the biceps. Yeah, there we go. In, out. Tempo, right, left. 1, 2, 1, 2. Really feel that muscle. Pinch. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Rotate palms up, down again. Twist, twist. So you're turning the door knob. Open, close. 8, 6, 4. Oh, it's burning up. 3, 2, 1. Hands narrow, palms face each other. Little pulse up. So working shoulders. Reach, reach. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms open, close. Try to pinch the chest. Squeeze your back behind you. Out and in. That's it. Squeeze. Keep it going, keep it going. 8. Not only is this great for arms, but it's very good postural exercises as well. So you're gonna get good posture after this. 2 more. All right, hold it out here. Little pulse out. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Here we go. 8. It's building. 6, 4, 3. Right palm goes down. We go down, then left. Bring it up and repeat. Other side. Good. Again. So go down, down, up like a scarecrow. Tempo. Down, down, up, up. Ooh, the burn's real. I feel it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms, take it down. Reach up. Cross. Little reset. Reach. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Hold, push back behind you, palms facing me or away from you. And then rotate, push them back behind. Keep your arms shoulder height. You're almost done. We're almost done. Now alternate palms, rotate. Back and forth. Back and forth. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Speed bag. Other side. Speed bag. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. All right, keep it center. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we go. You got it. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms up and down. Reach and lower. Reach and lower. High to the sky. 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold at the top. Hold it. Arms reach in front. All right. Pulse. Out. 1, 2. Hold it. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Arms to sky. Arms in front. Arms to sky. Arms in front, arms to sky. 3, 2, 1, and all the way down. Oh, roll those shoulders. And let's do a big stretch here. You're going to want this release. So get this stretch. And switch other arm. Don't need weights, right? You can just get a fired up workout just using your own body weight. Shake out those arms one more time and give yourself a big round of applause. Thank you for working out with me. I appreciate you so much. Give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. And if you're wanting more workouts, again, just share the love. Spread the news with your friends and family. And when you build a community, you are more into it. So hold yourself accountable. Try to do this once a week, and I'll check you with the other workouts. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.